Hello, Bob Kitten. Hi, little tinies.
Hey, and you just want me to get all the doors shut or get them in?
We get the door shut and get them in.
Okay, and then we got it.
Hello, all tinies. Oh, tinies. You better get everybody inside, those tinies.
Come inside, kittens.
Oh, tinies.
Hey, come inside. Tornadoes are not good for you. Come on.
Hello, mega tinies. All right, come on, everybody.
I know you know something's wrong.
Num-nums.
Come on in.
Come on, tinies.
Come on in.
Come on, super tinies. Come on,
Hey,
super
come on.
tinies.
A good kitty.
Good. Let's get some food for tinies. Food for tinies.
Come on in, kitty. Yeah, good Bob Kitten. Get in there. All right, Coconut. Come on in, Coconut. Ah, get in there. Here, let's pick you up and put you in here. I'll put you on the chair. I'll help.
Food for super tinies.
How many do we have in here? Okay.
I've got 2 so far at me.
I know Coconut's in. Oh, here comes Poof, and Neeks looks like he's gonna come on in too. Oh, here's Gizmo. All right.
All right, we're doing good.
Come on, super tinies.
Hey, come in here, Poof.
Did we get them all?
There goes Neeks. We just need to get Poof in, and then that's it.
Do you know where he is?
He's right here.
Come on, super tinies.
All right, I am shutting the door.
All right.
Mallory, if you want to get in, I'm gonna shut the door.
You can come in the human door.
Human door.
Hey, just hop in.
You guys are so wonderful.
Okay.
How about 2 cans for
Come
being
on.
so wonderful?
Oh, really? Because we wanna.
I've got 5 cats.
Is there something in the way?
No.
I got 5 cats.
Okay.
I am almost positive they're all 6 in here. The door doesn't want to shut though, so let me.
All right, then you go ahead and get it shut, okay? We'll check. I'm missing Meeks. I'm missing Poof.
Yeah, the door isn't working at all.
Okay, I know why. That's completely my fault, Tom.
Okay.
Completely my fault.
Is it the axe in the way?
No.
1 second. It will work now.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Well. Oh, there it is.
Alright, super tinies. What's coming back your way, okay?
All right.
All the good tinies.
Okay.
Yay.
All the good tinies.
Yep, I think that's all of them in here.
Do I even been here to